In this ProSuite review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get cloud hosting, file storage, and autoresponder, funnel builder, webinar creation, and more all in one software so you can forget about paying monthly fees. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ProSuite, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says everything you need to succeed in the digital world is now up for grabs. The first ever all-in-one automated platform makes limitless cloud hosting, file storage, auto-responding, funnel building, webinar creation, and graphic designing an instant reality. So essentially what the software is it gives you access to multiple tools so that you don't have to pay either monthly for them, you don't have to pay for them separately, and they're all in one place for a one-time price. Now, I say step one, you get access to the easiest all-in-one solution. You pick the services that you need, and then you just go out there and use the ones, of course, that you want here inside of it. There are multiple tools. Maybe some of them you want to use yourself, maybe some of them that you won't even care about, but it doesn't matter. It's a low one-time price for a bunch of different software here. So I'm going to scroll down through most of this here. It's going to explain here the different things that you're going to get here as far as the software goes, all the different tools that you get here, all the different ways that you can use this, like cloud storage, file storage, funnel creation, webinar hosting, autoresponders, graphic designing, all included inside of this platform. Now let me scroll down here. I just want to show you one thing before we move on from this. If you decide to purchase, you'll get access to all of that here, and you get the commercial license. You can actually provide this as a service. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more, and I'm going to come back and show you the backend area and the OTOs. Okay, so after you purchase, you have access to the backend area where you can access the software, the hosting, the mailing software, the cloud drive, the webinar software, the store builder, web conversion, Photoshop editor, everything all in one place. Now, they do have multiple OTOs here. So the first OTO you're going to see is the Ultimate Upgrade. This is going to give you 4 brand new apps and a commercial license to go along with this. So this is an optional upgrade that you're going to see here. I didn't see any downsells. 47, sometimes they do like little pop up. So if you click the no thanks button, I didn't see that. I always try to tell you guys about those when they exist. Please hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you those. Next one here is unlimited. So you can get unlimited everything with powerful new features. So you can get all of that and more. This is, see if I can find the price for you guys. I don't list the price on it, but it's an optional upgrade. Next one here is looks like a business suite here. It says, yep, the business version of this. It's going to give you stay organized with the business. Online business runs smoothly, manage a large number of customers as a CRM, so you can manage your customers with it. Next one is 10-in-1, so it's a done for you local agency business here for this. You can sell marketing services with this agency license. The next one here is that you can sell ProSuite with custom logos, graphics, and branding. So if you want to get that one, you get the white label. And the last one here is just resell rights. You can sell the whole thing. You make 100% commissions on every sale. All the OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ProSuite and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, when you have a suite of software like this, just know that it's not going to be as good as something like if you're paying for GoToWebinar or Aweber, or if you're paying for, I don't know, some Photoshop kind of design software. It's not going to be as good as those. You're paying for a low price and you're paying one time, so you're going to get what you pay for. What do I like about this? Anyone who wants to have multiple softwares, who doesn't have a budget to be paying for these other ones, especially ones that provide these services at a monthly cost, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ProSuite, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.